company integrates live 911 call data with drone dispatch, invests in new production site to support growth. Flock Safety has announced a major update to its drone as first responder DFR system. The company has integrated its Flock Aerodome trademark system with Flock 911, a technology that provides live access to 911 transcription and location data. The update allows drones to respond to emergencies even before a 911 call ends. This new integration is the first of its kind. It enables law enforcement agencies using Flock Aerodome to launch drones instantly when a 911 call is made without waiting for dispatchers to enter the information into the system. When a 911 call is placed, emergency services are often unaware until the call is manually entered into the computer-aided dispatch CAD system, a process that can take minutes, delaying response when every second counts, the company explained in its release. Now, with Flock 911 for Aerodome powered by Prepared, emergency responders can receive real-time transcription of 911 calls. The DFR system then automatically deploys a drone to the location of the incident. Flock Aerodome has an average response time of just 86 seconds. Rahul Sidhu, VP of Aviation at Flock Safety, and a former first responder, highlighted the importance of speed in emergency situations. As a former first responder myself, I know from experience that every single second counts in an emergency. Agencies that use Flock Aerodome will now be able to respond to live 911 calls prior to even being dispatched to them. Thanks to this first ever direct integration of DFR and a 911 call response system, law enforcement sees major impact on public safety. The Dunwoody Police Department in Georgia has already seen benefits from using the new integration. The integration of our Real-Time Crime Center, DFR, and Flock 911 capabilities has transformed how we protect and serve our community, said Dunwoody Police Chief Mike Carlson. These cutting-edge tools allow our officers to respond faster, make more informed decisions, and enhance public safety like never before. With real-time intelligence and aerial support, we can proactively address threats, improve situational awareness, and ensure a safer environment for everyone. This technology isn't just about solving crime, it's about preventing it and keeping our communities secure. Flock Safety technology is currently used in over 5,000 communities and by more than 4,800 law enforcement agencies across the country. Flock Safety expands with new Georgia facility. In a separate announcement, Flock Safety revealed it will open a new 97,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Smyrna, Georgia. The site will be used to produce the company's public safety technologies, including the DFR system. It will also handle solar panel assembly and device repair. The project represents an investment of approximately $10 million and is expected to create 210 new jobs over the next 3 years. Full operations are scheduled to begin by 2027. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp welcomed the news. In Georgia, we foster a business environment where innovative companies can get off the ground and grow into leaders in their industry while operating in safe communities. Flock Safety is a great example of the success that approach has created, and we're proud to celebrate this milestone with them. We look forward to many years of partnership with Flock Safety in their efforts to help keep Georgians safe. Hiring for the new facility is already underway. Interested individuals can learn more and apply at www.flocksafety.com/careers. About Flock Safety. Flock Safety is a safety technology company focused on crime prevention and public security. Its systems provide real-time intelligence while maintaining high standards of privacy and data integrity. The company works with communities, schools, businesses, and police departments to build a nationwide public-private safety network.